How to share your trip in Waymo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Waymo on your device. Here, to share your trip, you can go to the app and then when your ride is going on, press on share and link will pop up. You can share that. As you can see in the FAQ of Waymo, share your trip. You can now share your trip progress with friends and family. They will be able to see your trip status in real time and know when you arrive. Once your trip starts, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and press the share trip button. And you can share it through other apps or copy the link and send it to people that you want to share with. This is how to share your trip in Waymo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.